Hey, Jeremy here with Flowtara, and today we're going to be talking about bridges. I often describe Flowtara as a bridge between physical and digital. What does that mean? Well, in healthcare, in our example today, it's going to be a downtime workstation. But that could be a patient kiosk, a crash cart, a piece of lab equipment. Outside of healthcare, that may be a work truck inspection. That could be a piece of critical equipment to your operation. Really, any resource that is critical to your operational readiness, that's what Flowtara helps bridge. What does it bridge it to? It bridges it to the technology-enabled systems that you already have in place. Our example today is ServiceNow and Teams, two very common systems. ServiceNow, we're going to be building a request, and in Teams, we're going to be posting a channel message. Let's go ahead and enter and set up our workflow to handle those two bridges. We're going to go to the workflow designer for Downtime Workstations, and we're going to take our reports step and we're going to edit it. We're going to allow the user to provide a little bit more information if they're having a problem, and we're going to enable not one, but two integrations. These integrations are the ones that have been enabled for my organization. Any integration that's been enabled is now selectable in any workflow step. Let's go ahead and close back out. I see right away it's now taking effect. We're going to back up and we're going to enter into the workflow, and we're going to pass the workflow until we get to our step about reports. And here we are. Let's go ahead and report an issue. All right, and we'll go ahead and complete this. Now these are entirely configurable. And submit. I see I have one issue that was captured. Right away, it's going to show me the integrations that I have enabled, what happened, and on the right in Teams, I instantly see a Teams message with all of the details. And if I go to ServiceNow on the left and refresh, I should be seeing a ServiceNow request. There it is, and I open it up, and I'm going to see all of that same information about this response. Now, this is going to be routed to the right team that is in a position to handle an issue with reports on downtime workstations. It doesn't have to be ServiceNow. It doesn't have to be Teams. Sometimes that bridge only needs to be from a workflow to a text message or an email. There is an endless possibility of bridges that we can build with Flowtara to any system you use. The key is Flowtara allows you to build technology-enabled workflows to connect these systems together. Let me know if you have any questions.